The JL9 is also known as the FTC-2000 Mountain Eagle is a family of two-seat advanced supersonic jet trainer and light combat aircraft developed for People Liberation Army Air Force and People Liberation Naval Air Force to meet growing requirements of young Chinese pilots' advanced jet training before handling advanced fighter jets like J-10, J-11, J-15, J-16, J-20 and J-31. The FTC is developed from J-7, FT-7, the two-seat trainer version of J-7. The FTC-2000 uses a new wings, a forward fuselage with side air intakes and glass cockpit. The engine, the empennage and mechanical controls of J-7 and FT-7 are retained. Chinese Air Force operates J-7 since 1966 and more than 1600 fighter jets built for People Liberation Army Air Force. FT-2000 is a blend of new and old technology. It not only helps to save time but also economize the price of this most capable machine. The most amazing feature of FTC-2000 is its price. The aircraft is available only for 10 to 12 million US dollars per aircraft with most modern fourth generation technologies and capabilities, which can replace the existing second generation aircraft such as J-7, JJ-7, J-8, Q-5 and many other fighter jets. FTC-2000 as JL9 competed with JL10 to meet the advanced jet trainer requirements People Liberation Army and People Liberation Air Force. The JL10 is most modern and technologically more advanced aircraft in Chinese Air Force with the training capabilities. JL10 is technologically more advanced, hence more expensive than JL9. In 2013, both had entered into series production. The airframe of FTC-2000G variant is based on FTC-2000 aircraft covered by two-piece glass canopy. The cockpit houses with two crew members tandem seating arrangements. The wing of aircraft are mounted low onto the extended fuselage section. The stabilizing structure of tail assembly are mounted on the fuselage in a conventional manner. The FTC-2000G had sharp pointed nose and the aerodynamically feature further enhanced the performance of this aircraft to be effective during harsh winds and adverse weather conditions. The large and transparent aircraft canopy offers a clear view of the surroundings and enhances the situation awareness of the pilot. The aircraft also incorporates modern radar equipment, communication devices and fire control system. FTC-2000G integrates up to 7 hard points under the wings and fuselage section to accommodate a wide range of illumination. It also features reconnaissance pods and electronic warfare equipment to participate in desired missions. The aircraft can be armed with missiles, rockets and bombs. It has the capacity to carry up to 3 tons of armament in a single operation. The aircraft endure airborne for more than 2 hours when performing aerial operations. It can operate at maximum altitude of 15,000 meters. The aircraft can perform operations at low speed and low altitude in high transonic regions. It requires a running distance of 410 meters for smooth takeoff and 580 meters for landing. It has a normal takeoff weight of 8,000 kilograms and maximum takeoff weight of 11,000 kilograms. A carrier landing trainer variant was also revealed by Chinese state media in 2011, designated the JL9G. It has strengthened undercarriage, a large wing and divertless supersonic inlets equipped with the advanced next generation engines, which enables it to retain a maximum speed of 1,470 km per hour. It can reach a maximum distance of 1,650 km without any mid-air supplies. On 5th September 2018, Chinese state-run news agency reported that they had begun mass production of FTC-2000 G variant. On 28th September 2018, it was reported that the first mass production FTC-2000 G performed its maiden flight, and in April 2020, Chinese reports for an unnamed Southeast Asian country have placed an order for FTC-2000G with the deliveries expected between 2021 and 2023. In my opinion, this is a remarkable aircraft. A single-seat version of this aircraft can perform even better and can also replace thousands of aircraft which are J-7, J-8, QA-5 fighter jets still operated by Chinese and many other third world countries with a very economical, less financial burden of these economies, and they can use it in very good manner.